What is going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here, and we are out to do a really big jump today. I've been waiting. I got sick, so I couldn't come last week like I wanted, but we're here today. It's a beautiful day, no clouds, so we should be able to get a nice shot. We're walking up to this big pile right now, and we're gonna try to send it. So let's do this.
Perfect.
Here's the pile. We're gonna try to jump right off the top and land right down here in the flat. It's pretty big. Maybe not as big as I had thought originally.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to walk up. I got my GPS, so we're gonna try to get some kind of elevation here is the deal. All right, so I got my GPS firing up here, and what we're gonna try to do is see what the difference is to try to get a somewhat of an idea of how high that is. So this thing is booting up, and we're gonna go up there and scope it out. Okay, boom, and we're gonna go like this. Okay, so we're at 5,675 feet here. Don't know if that will show up on the camera, but that's where we're at. So now we're gonna walk up there and see what we got. Come on, let's do it. So this is kind of like a little challenge I was kind of thinking about. There's the channel TP Parts Extreme, and he has a video for the largest, well, he claims the largest jump. So that's what I'm kind of trying to do. I'm not questioning the size of his jump because the camera never shows exactly how big things are, but after this video you guys can be the judge, and we can see if we can get anyone else to do this same sort of challenge and try to do some really big jumps and see what happens. Well, this sucks. There was a ramp. Now I'm gonna have to kind of walk it up. So yeah, I'm gonna take my sweatshirt off because it's pretty warm, and I'm gonna try to do this hike and see what happens. All right, guys. So I'm gonna try to hike this, get this Revo set up, and launch it for you guys. So my camera woman is gonna sit down here and try to get
catch it.
get the drop off. And yeah, it looks like they changed this pile around. It looked like it was a little bit bigger, so I'm a little disappointed.
A little
but
bit bigger? That's very
I don't know. I remember it being bigger,
like
but
the size of a pyramid.
Either way, it should make for some good video, guys. So let's get this hike going. This is gonna be interesting.
You need a camel?
Yeah, I need a camel. So you said. So we are now at 5738. So we've climbed about 40 feet in elevation. So that seems kind of accurate. Height is very deceiving, so it's hard to really tell. But yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to hit this and try to land down there by her. You can see how tiny she is down there. So it's a pretty good sized drop. Warm her up. I hope the shot up here looks good. All right, here I go. You ready? Recording? Nah. Nothing looks broken. Oh, something's broke. Broke it. Okay, I'm gonna come down. All right, guys. We are broke out. We're going down to see what the damage was. All right. It's easier coming down.
Sandboarding. Yeah.
Okay. Let's just.
What's the diagnosis?
No rear wheel. I think we snapped the drive shaft on the inside. That's my diagnostic so far. I'd have to probably pop the skid plate off to confirm that. Oh, yeah, that's tight. Yeah, because those are fine. Yeah, snap the drive shaft on the inside, so not bad. Truck held up. I can't believe it was taking those jumps. I mean, that's pretty good fall. Couldn't do it how I wanted to do it, but I think we still got some good shots here, so I'm happy with that. Traxxas Revo proved to be very durable and take some of those big hits. I was willing to really send it because this truck needs a whole rebuild, but you know, this thing's definitely proven itself, so you can't count the Revo 2.0 out. But I do prefer my armor rig, but for straight up abuse, this was really a great truck to have today. So yeah, super pumped. But thanks for tuning into this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this stuff. I had a blast filming it for you. If you got any questions, put them down in the comments below. Don't forget, like this video. If you're new, subscribe to this channel, please. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.